super brave knight.
Beware. I'm the scariest dragon in the whole wide world.
You think I'm scared? Ha! Not even close.
Hey, let's be best buddies.